Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of December 4th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is cookies. The Duckling Gets a Cookie? Words and Pictures by Willems. I do not like the look of that title. Hello, Scooty Scoot Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh. Thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know? I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No! It's not fair. Floppy flip flop. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? Grrr. So I could give it to you. And another thing. Hubba what? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. We're going to make a duckling and pigeon cookie puzzle. What you'll need is a glue stick. Your Craft-to-Go kit is a piece of paper and some cut-out puzzle pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the puzzle together first. See how it belongs. And then we'll go ahead and glue it down. So we got these pieces here together. Slide it over a bit. It's a little tricky, but I think you guys can do it. That goes in the middle. That goes in the middle there. Edge. Doesn't have to be together perfectly right now. The top and the edge. So we're going to slide the pieces this way a bit. Then we're just going to glue them down in order so that our puzzle is complete. So just put a bunch of glue on the back of the puzzle piece and glue it down. And you take the next piece, put glue all over it. And if you get confused as to how to put it together, there is a picture on the instruction sheet that has the Craft-to-Go kit, that comes with the Craft-to-Go kit. Oops, I got a little glue on the outside of that one. So, I'm just going to finish this up and show you what it looks like when it's done. And there, now it's all together, all glued in place, and that's all you do.